Calcium is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. However, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing calcium from our diets. This is especially true for individuals over the age of 50, who are at an increased risk of developing osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Fortunately, there are certain foods that are rich in calcium and can help to meet the daily requirements of individuals over 50. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 calcium-rich foods that are best suited for people over the age of 50. The first food on our list is kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is a good source of calcium. 1 cup of cooked kale contains approximately 95 milligrams of calcium, which makes up about 10% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Kale is also rich in vitamin C, which helps the body absorb calcium better. Additionally, kale contains other bone-friendly nutrients such as magnesium and vitamin K. To ensure optimal calcium absorption from kale, it is important to cook the leaves thoroughly, as raw kale contains oxalates that can hinder calcium absorption. The second food on our list is salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is an excellent source of calcium. 3 ounces of cooked salmon contains approximately 180 milligrams of calcium, which meets about 20% of the daily requirements for adults. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. It is recommended to consume at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week to ensure adequate calcium intake. Next on our list is tofu. Tofu is a soy-based food that is high in calcium. 1/2 cup of tofu contains approximately 195 milligrams of calcium, which meets about 20% of the daily requirements for adults. Tofu is also a good source of protein and fiber, both of which are essential for maintaining bone health. It is important to note that the calcium content of tofu can vary depending on the preparation method. To increase the calcium content, it is recommended to prepare tofu using calcium sulfate rather than calcium chloride. The fourth food on our list is chia seeds. Chia seeds are small seeds that are packed with nutrients, including calcium. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain approximately 180 milligrams of calcium, which meets about 20% of the daily requirements for adults. Chia seeds are also a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are beneficial for bone health. To ensure optimal calcium absorption from chia seeds, it is important to soak them in water or milk for at least 30 minutes before consuming. The fifth food on our list is yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product that is high in calcium. 1 cup of plain yogurt contains approximately 415 milligrams of calcium, which meets about 45% of the daily requirements for adults. Yogurt is also a good source of protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining bone health. It is recommended to choose plain yogurt without added sugars to ensure optimal calcium absorption. If you are lactose intolerant, you may want to opt for a dairy-free yogurt alternative that is fortified with calcium. Next on our list is sardines. Sardines are small fish that are packed with nutrients, including calcium. 3 ounces of cooked sardines contain approximately 350 milligrams of calcium, which meets about 35% of the daily requirements for adults. Sardines are also a good source of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are important for maintaining bone health. To ensure optimal calcium absorption from sardines, it is important to eat them with a meal that contains vitamin C. Finally, the 7th food on our list is almonds. Almonds are nuts that are high in calcium. 1 ounce of almonds contains approximately 75 milligrams of calcium, which makes up about 8% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E and magnesium, both of which play a role in maintaining bone health. It is important to consume almonds in moderation as they are high in calories. To ensure optimal calcium absorption from almonds, it is recommended to soak them overnight and then consume them with a meal that contains vitamin C. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many foods that are rich in calcium and can help to meet the daily requirements of individuals over the age of 50. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help to maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of developing osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate amount of calcium for your individual needs. Thank you for watching, and please like and share if you found this video helpful. Stay healthy